This is the latest keyboard from EWEADN, the V99 transparent customized mechanical keyboard. Tri-mode connection through Bluetooth, USB-C wireless or USB-C, 16.8 million RGB backlit keyboard, gasket mounted and hot swappable switches. The high quality frosted keycaps feel like glass and they're so comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. You can also use the volume adjustment knob to turn off and on the RGB. The feet are solid and secure, featuring silicone pads to make sure that your keyboard doesn't slip when typing. There are countless options to customize the RGB settings and most impressively, boasts a 5000 mAh battery. But how does it sound?